Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Sorry that it is a late video. Today was actually a really busy day for us. I got actually two things that I need to announce. I got my giveaway. It's right next to me. It's a big box. I'm really excited to show all of you guys what I got and what the new giveaway will be. Of course, same rules apply. You have to like, subscribe, and comment for you to be able to get entered in this giveaway. I'm not doing any makeup. It is hot outside. Obviously, I have like all the windows open, so there could be wind going on, or not wind, but like circulation and stuff. So that was my first thing, my first announcement. The second announcement is actually really exciting. My husband and I, those of you that have been on here that has been going through like my YouTube journey, and like all my stories and all that stuff. Well, I found this out a few weeks ago. So yeah, 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago today. I don't know how I should tell you guys. Well, I'll just stand up and show you guys, okay? Because it's really exciting. Oh, well, it doesn't really show, but there's a little baby bump. I am 20 weeks pregnant, 20 weeks and 3 days. I'm due October of right before Halloween, pretty much. So we're really excited. It's a rainbow baby, our rainbow baby. Those of you that have been following me and well, mostly me, on this channel, we weren't trying at all, but we got pregnant in 2018 and found out I was pregnant at 36 weeks. Not only that, I mean, obviously that was like really late to find out. I didn't show a lot. I didn't start popping until like almost like close to the end. Well, pretty much right at 36 weeks. And like, it wasn't that I wasn't taking care of myself. I just had I was diagnosed with vasoprevia, which is my placenta growing another lobe, and they didn't catch it in enough time to be able to like have everything all taken care of. So I'm gonna go really quick because on my phone here it will only allow 30 minutes, and if I go over that, then obviously I'll end up splitting my time. So my first thing that will probably be in the giveaway is the James Charles brushes. This is the eye brush set. So I'm not opening that up, but those of you that actually, I'll kind of open it up. You guys should know what it kind of looks like. It comes in with this little artistry thing. weird. Really weird. Well, this will be my box. I got, this is pretty much my first Jeffree Star palette that I have ever gotten. So obviously those of you that already know what it looks like, this is what I got. But the best part about it, whoever wins will also get this. So these two items so far. Someone also gets some lipsticks. Alright, put that in. Alright. Now the rest of this will be lipsticks. I also got repeats because right there and there. And then we got I swear I thought I got like a couple more lips. I don't know. I wish they would say the names on these lipsticks. Oh, they do. Versatile. And then maybe they're all yeah, I don't need all those lips, so I'll probably just get rid of a lot of them. Alright, so I did get some lipsticks and also lip glosses. And then, okay, so I'll show you guys what I just got for your guys' giveaway, for the next giveaway. I'm hoping, because I actually still have to put a couple things in my bag. I gotta get my, I wouldn't say my shower bag, but a bag, for, what is it called? When I go to work. Okay, so, like I said, the first giveaway will be the James Charles eye brush set. I also gave you guys a few lips. These two are both, let's see if I can get because I think I got a couple lip glosses. I think. I'll get some more stuff for the lip glosses and stuff. Alright, so lipstick cream. Well, it's a lipstick. And then 2 liquid lipsticks, matte. And this one is Suspect and Mood. So you get 3 lips. And then this, the Big Kahuna. So I'm not doing any makeup tonight just because it is way too hot, but I'm hoping when I go to work, I will do a couple videos, just because it'll be cooler. I'll be in my staff room, so of course it's going to be really crappy lighting, just so you guys know. And you guys need to like, subscribe, and comment to be able to receive these items. If it's not a big deal, I mean, I'm sorry. I think it is, just because I love purple. It's whenever I announce this giveaway, it'll be around my birthday. So it's a birthday present. What else? I can't think of anything else. But I kind of wish to do a video or a makeup video, just because I mean, you know, I don't know. I just really wanted to do a makeup video, but it is so hot. It's like close to 100 degrees. It's insane. Alright, so let me show you the stuff that I had gotten technically for myself. Probably shouldn't, but it's whatever. I really wanted Morphe, I guess. Oh, also, I haven't decided yet if this is going to be in the giveaway or not. I probably will be. More than likely it's going to be. So, yeah. I knew I was missing something else. I just forgot what it was. But yeah, you get all of that stuff that I just told you guys. Okay, so I got these really nice lip things. So I guess there was a couple liquid matte lipsticks, and then a couple that were like cream, which were these kinds. I'm gonna definitely bring my bag with me so I can do some makeup. So these are the colors. A lot of them are nudes, but it's okay. Bubble Wrap, Bubblegum Crisis, Versatiles, and On the Rocks. I feel like okay, whatever. So these are the pretty lips that I got on this one. I'm really going to go to my car after I get done with this video and get my bag. Here is the other color, really pretty. This is called Whipped. even though I do sell Farmasi makeup, I do like to try other makeup that is that I put on other, like put Farmasi and then another brand of makeup, just because I know everyone's not going to have everything through Farmasi. So that's why I like to try to give you guys those options. All right. It is so hot. I'm so excited to just I don't know if these colors are like really close to each other, so I don't know if I want to all right, and these three are the 3 liquid mattes as well. I don't want that. And then of course the 2 lip glosses right here. I got a lot of like the nudie colors just because I feel like that works best for my skin complexion. But yeah, that's my main thing. If it wasn't so hot, I probably would have done like a quick makeup look, but it's just so hot I can't do it. So yeah, I don't know. But here is all of the stuff that I'm going to give you guys as my giveaway. Make sure that you guys do like, subscribe, and comment on it. If you just do the like and the subscribe and don't comment, you will not be entered in the giveaway. And yeah, so I just forewarning you guys on that part, so you guys are well aware of the rules of this giveaway. My next giveaway will be on my birthday and only on my birthday, and you guys will be able to, like, I haven't fully found like the whole entire thing, but I'll announce it the day before, the 7th. So you guys will know what I'm kind of doing, kind of not doing. But yeah, just make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. And I'm getting off of here because it is hot and I can't handle the heat right now, just because, yeah, it's just insane, really insane. So I will talk to you guys soon, and hopefully do a video between Wednesday to Friday. I'll probably hoping to do 2 videos at least while I'm gone, and then on Friday I will get home and hopefully I'll do another video on Friday, between makeup or skincare on Friday. I haven't decided, but yeah. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.